Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down. I'm the one for a good time call, phone's blowing up. Ring on my doorbell, I feel the love, I feel the love. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Flowing back, the light was gone. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. I'm gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist.
Right? It's not exactly the same effect, still based on the filtering this time of the sound and the comb filtering. It's an interesting effect though. Let's listen to it on the guitar.
Live like tomorrow doesn't exist, like
So it has a very nice sound, I think, on guitars, on clean guitar sounds. Something you've heard from records from the 70s a lot. Right, let's listen to the snare. It's pretty spacey, I have to say, on the snare. You know, it's a very specific effect here. But it works pretty well on vocals, I think, and on guitars, that phaser.